Hello, welcome to Dan Cave's Toy Reviews. This toy I'm going to review now is Tychus from Starcraft 2, made by Blizzard Entertainment and DC Unlimited. So without further ado, let's take a look. Now, my first thing about this toy. No something required with this guy. He comes in as his one piece, and he comes with the gun to boot. Here's my one fault with this toy. He is limp. Look at this. So, standing up, his feet are flat. Alright? But if you do one little thing, there's no tension in any of the joints. They freely move very easily. Lots of articulation all over his body. Extreme. He was the first toy that they made. I think they learned their lesson after making him. His one arm joint pops off very easily. I mean, you just twist it the wrong way and he pops out and you have to put it back in again. Nope. And then you have to, because even the shoulder has lots of articulation, putting that back on, you have to take that shoulder pad off, put it back in, and then put the shoulder pad on. Which is always fun. No, wait, I did it the wrong way. Put that in, then put the arm back in. Boy. Now, overall, not a good, well-made character. I honestly believe this was a very poor make. Yeah, it's cool though. He has a little visor, opens and shuts. Got a little Tychus in there, so hello. Good detail on the back. The gun looks cool, although I wish it had a little color on it. I know, like, but you could put some yellow bands, something like that. That's more detail. Honestly, I think because, spoiler alert, he dies in the game, I think they didn't put much effort into him. Just to have him made and get him put out there. But, well, I'll put him on a little stand here. I'll make sure he stands up and stays. There we go. So, what is it? He's not the most sturdy character. I'm being very careful when I turn this thing. He'll fall right over if I don't. But overall, nice figure. And that's it. Now, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And I look forward to more in the future. Thank you.